Friday. Something came today. Can you tell? I'm excited. All right, let's open it. So, as many of you know, I had last month traveled to Arizona, Phoenix, to go to leadership retreat, my first one, and then to go to see Wally. Plans changed with everything going on. So leadership has changed, and the exciting thing is you can participate for $20. You can participate in Leadership Live online, and they're breaking it up, so that'll be really nice for the sections of watching the stuff live. Hi, Karen. Hi, Cassie. Hi, Mom. So this came today, and this was available pretty early on if people purchase the live ticket. This was definitely what I would have gotten when I was there. So yay, Karen will be on. So yes, definitely get on to the Leadership Live if you guys have questions or want the link for that. Be sure to let me know. Otherwise, you could Google search doTERRA Leadership 2020, and you should be able to register for that. So anyone can register for it. Originally, it was just for silver and above when we attend. But there's going to be a lot of great information. We're really excited to hear about Adaptive and more information and studies that they've done and all that good stuff. But there's something in here, and I don't know what it looks like. I just know this is a box of goodies that I want to open with you. All right, you ready? You guys are going to probably see before I will. Look at it. There's tissue. It's like Christmas. Love this. All right, here we go. There's that. I have an idea what's in here. I just have no idea what all of it looks like. So, leadership typically, oh, that's cool. Oh, yes. It's a bag. It looks like a recycled, reusable bag. That's great if it rains. Look at that. That's awesome. There's a front pocket here. Let's see if there's anything in here. It would be the lanyard, so where my name tag would be printed off. This would have been what I was wearing. That's awesome. So leadership is something I had been wanting to do for a long time. Yes, lot on Strengths Finders. Yes, very good. Ooh, yay. Stephanie, I know you're gonna be excited. It's a notebook, journal. This is a nice size. Journal, notebook. Oh, Molly wants to come investigate. Is this in the way, Molly? You want to come see? It's got a journal. Yeah, you got to investigate. Okay, I see. Oh, really? What else are you going to get? Oh, that's awesome. So I'm sure this will be a prize and that's never used. We've got a keychain, the purple keychain, and it's going to have little vials that I can fill and add oils to. So it's a nice travel size keychain. And then it looks like leadership retreat guide with all the speakers that we were gonna have and workshops that we were gonna have. So that's all in there. That's awesome. Always love learning more. And then we've got stickers. I can always use those for all my oils. So these go on the top of your bottles. Alrighty, this is about the Healing Hands Foundation, so ways that doTERRA gives back around the world, even locally. So it looks like it's a year snapshot of everything that's gone on, and then the projects, and a little bit more about all of that. I love it. I love Healing Hands, so it'll be fun to read. Looks like the International, the Year in a Review. 2019, which I think I have a couple of those now because of convention, but that's okay. I'm super excited. Ooh! Oh! You guys, got a free bottle of Adaptive. It's a little mini bottle. Look how tiny that is. It's a little bottle, little 5 ml. You guys know I love my Adaptive. That is super exciting. And then there's a pen in there. This is Leadership 2020. And about the doTERRA social platform and digital marketing for the business. What else? Looks like another little sticker about social marketing, because I know they're trying to do more of that for us. And then I've got a, looks like a sticker. It might be a vinyl sticker that I can stick on something. Let's see, anything else? Ooh, there's a pocket inside. See if there's anything in there. You never know. No, there's nothing in there. There's a pocket inside. But this definitely looks like a reusable type bag. And it feels like what I would use for a, waterproofing. So this will be an awesome little bag. So that's in my little leadership bag. And again, if you're interested in joining and learning more about doTERRA and the business side and leadership side, we are going to have that starting, I believe it's next week. And anyone is welcome. It's $20. This was a little bit more, but this was also first for those who had registered to be out in Phoenix. And since everything got changed and moved, they made sure to just change that over, reimburse us for the difference, and send us out our little goodies. And I am super excited. Look at all that. Some good stuff in here. So it was a very nice surprise to get some adaptive and possible prizes for you guys, because I have a few of these laying around. More stickers, information, notebooks. Wally will want my notebook. But leadership is a great opportunity, again, to learn more about the company and to get together with more of your oil family and meet new people. And it's also one I've been working hard towards and wanting to be at, so I could continue to grow and learn. And I was bummed that this year was very different, but I love that the opportunity is open for everyone now. So yay! But that's what was in my box. It made my day. It's been it was sunny earlier, now it's a gloomy-ish day. And again, you saw Molly was enjoying sniffing. She's not as excited anymore because we opened it all. But hopefully you guys are having a great Friday and staying safe, staying warm, and happy oiling. We'll see you all later. And happy Easter. I probably won't see you guys again until Easter. I know I have another box coming that I know is coming. This one I didn't know when it'd be here. I just knew it was coming eventually. So that was a fun surprise. All right, bye everyone. Thanks for joining.